Did Champagne Papi find his champagne mommy? Drake, 35, was photographed aboard a yacht with model Suede Brooks, 21, while on vacation in Saint-Tropez, France, on Tuesday. The Hotline Bling rapper and YouTuber then headed to Club 55, one of the coastal town's most iconic and historic beach clubs, according to paparazzi. For the luxe outing, Drake was seen wearing an off-white by Mercedes-Benz Dirt Effect skate t-shirt that retails for about $530, white shorts, white sneakers and a navy blue bandana. Meanwhile, Brooks wore a light blue swimsuit, an oversized button-down shirt and her brunette locks in low-maintenance waves. It has not been confirmed if the pair are romantically linked since they were not showing any PDA in the photos. Reps for both did not immediately return requests for comment. However, a source told Entertainment Tonight Wednesday that Drake and Brooks are definitely interested in one another, but hinted that it's likely casual at the moment. They're having fun together, the insider said, adding that they have been yacht hopping for a few days. They are sweet, whispering in each other's ears and laughing. According to ET, this is not the first time the one-dance rapper and influencer have spent time together, and mutual friends are reportedly rooting for them to hang out more. On Wednesday, Drake shared he was still enjoying his time in Saint-Tropez by posting a few Instagram stories of him at a beach club. Brooks did not make an appearance in the clips. The God's Plan rapper may have earned his right to let loose after seemingly getting detained at a Swedish prison earlier this week. The Jimmy Cooks rapper shared a photo to Instagram Sunday of a handout detailing his rights in the European country as a detainee, which many perceived as confirmation of the online rumors circulating about his detainment. Drake's team initially denied that he had a run-in with Swedish police. Despite that hiccup, the started-from-the-bottom rapper's European excursion has been one for the books, complete with a $600,000 mega yacht. On Tuesday, Drake posted a series of photos of the pricey 238-foot super yacht, dubbed Coral Ocean, that boasts a sun lounge with a glass-bottomed spa pool, a sky lounge with a full-service bar and a sound system, and a decked-out master bedroom that has skylights and panoramic views. The boat is likely the same yacht that the passion fruit rapper was photographed on while hanging out with Brooks. In the past, Drake has been linked to many high-profile women, including Bella Harris, Malika Terry, Rihanna, Jennifer Lopez, and Hailey Bieber. He also shares a 4-year-old son, Adonis, with painter Sophie Brousseau.